Welcome to Ghost Toast Kitchen. We're Sean and Heather. Come along with us to see how we make Hawaiian cheesecake bars for a family backyard luau.
And we're going to start by making our shortbread crust. You do that by mixing flour, sugar, and melted butter. You just take those ingredients, mix them together until we get a cookie-like consistency that we can spread into our baking dish. And you're going to want to bake this for 14 to 19 minutes at 350 degrees. This Hawaiian cheesecake bar recipe was inspired by a family gathering. We were going to meet, but the family planners said, hey, let's go to Hawaii. Of course, we can't do that, so we brought Hawaii here. Now for the filling, start with 2 blocks of cream cheese. Add 2 eggs and whip those together. Make sure they're good and consistent. After that, you're going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of milk. And again, just mix that together. Once it's all combined, fold in a can of drained pineapple. And also fold in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once you've mixed all the ingredients together, just pour them over your cookie base or crust. And that's all there is to it. This is a simple and easy yet delicious dessert and easily fed a family of 10. It's a recipe that's as easy as 1, 2, 3 and perfect for any family gathering. It's also easy to transport from your kitchen to someone else's table.
We like this recipe and we think that you will too. We hope that you enjoyed our family luau. Like, subscribe, share, and leave us a comment.